Oh, bhai, directionless again by Morocco. Bhai, what a day. There are so many emotional highs and lows that went along with this match. Okay, okay, okay. It made a chance, made a chance, made a chance. Missed the goal, missed the goal. What the hell? I do not think Morocco can afford it. Shit. This, this, there is a no better save than this. What the hell? There is a no better save than this. Ah. Corner. They have a corner. So they can still. Oh, shit. भाई सेफ भाई इस बार के सेव्स के बारे में एक कथा लिखनी चाहिए. दे आर अल्ट्रा गोल्ड गोल्ड सेव्स. व्हाट द हेल भाई, क्या मैच है भाई साहब. Actually, Morocco and Netherlands really have a very similar style of playing football. So there are so many people in Morocco who share citizenship with both the countries. मतलब मोरक्को भी और नेदरलैंड्स भी. और भाई ऑफिस ऑफिस हटाओ. वर्ल्ड कप है भाई साहब. मतलब trust me, I was never ever 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 so interested in football than I am today. भाई ये लोग क्या नेक्स्ट लेवल खेल रहे हैं. मतलब क्या डिफेंस है भाई. आई डिडंट नो व्हाट द स्ट्रॉन्ग डिफेंस मीन टिल आई एक्चुअली स्टार्ट सीइंग देम. भाई 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 भाई. अरे क्या है भाई. फाउल है यार. धक्का धुक्की. पूरा धक्का मुक्की चल रहा है एकदम. they're all fighting against each others, like showing Morocco. Yeah, everyone is in the box. There's so much pressure outside. They'll get it outside corner. Acha, he's asking for a substitute. Oh my god, the nervousness is ultra distinct and clear. You see this happening. Oh shit. Okay, you can see the nail biting. Men nail biting, you know what's happening. Bhai, so just so that you know, if anyone doesn't know, after this 30 minutes extra time, it's gonna be penalties. 5 penalties each, or जिसने भी extra किए, they go to group of 16, round of 16. And then we get death penalties. So when we say death penalties, by that I mean पहले गोल जिसने भी कर लिया वो जीत गए. तो डज नॉट मैटर आपके सेकंड ट्राई में गोल किया. नहीं नहीं नहीं, हुएवर फर्स्ट फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व है बिल्कुल. भाई प्लस लास्ट 1 minute and then we are going for penalty shootouts. Clearance. Anything could have happened in that last minute. Now we are going for penalties, and I'm so excited. This is gonna be my first penalty. I'm so excited. Okay, and Netherlands decided to take the penalty first. Oh my god, and that's scored 3-2-1. भाई साहब क्या प्रेशर है ये. Goal. Netherlands, it's Coupe Menes. Chose bottom corner, showed that it's difficult to save bottom corners for sure. Perfection in the shot. Netherlands showed that कि हम लोग पक्का पहला penalty तो सही ले लेंगे. And then we have we have the goalkeeper ready. And it's gonna be on left, I think. Oh shit! Missed! Shit. गोलकीपर उस डायरेक्शन में भी नहीं था यार. Yeah, Netherlands. What do we see in the poll? Ugly penalty. Oh, missed. भाई ये क्या कर रहे हैं भाई जस्टिन क्लार्क. How could they miss it? Shit. We have the second penalty. I don't know the name of the player, by the way. Justin. Shit. भाई मैं रो दूंगी. भाई बच्चा के छूट गया यार. थक गए यार. What the hell? We are again equal. We are again equal. We are again equal. This is the person who put it like Argentina के against goal मारे थे when which we were speaking just now. चलो, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready. भाई ये क्या high pressure situation है? गोल! Guess किया था पर perfection in the angle. Netherlands again on the lead. I don't think he was missing it anytime. He shows why he was giving that fight to Argentina back in 2022. Chalo. He's the same person who gave the assist while like equalizing for Netherlands. So now we see what Morocco has in it. Goal! Goal, 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 goal. Bye. I can feel the calmness. I can feel the calmness for sure. Okay, we have Netherlands again. And we see, will they be able to? He was. Oh, what the hell? भाई इतना गंदा गोल पेनल्टी में ये कौन करता है भाई? He missed, like it was directionless. The entire goal was directionless. It was so he's a defender. How, like, it is ultra directionless. You realize it's so directionless. His name is Timber, by the way, Quentin Timber. And मतलब दिमाग बंद करके भी उस लेवल पे उतना डायरेक्शन, ओ भाई डायरेक्शनलेस अगेन बाय मोरक्को. भाई ये मुझे अब स्क्रिप्टेड लग रही है भाई. व्हाट इज दिस हैपनिंग? दिस इज इम्पॉसिबल. Hakimi missed it. Hakimi plays for PSG, I think so, as far as my memory supports me. भाई इतने कौन मिस करता है भाई? मिस नंबर 4. Hakimi missed it. भाई okay, come on. It's Netherlands trying to shoot. And Ruka! It is not a goal. It is not a goal. Bhai, the goalkeeper saved it. The goalkeeper saved it. Goalkeeper saved it. Goalkeeper saved it. Do you listen to me? Such good distraction shit. Bhai. Such strong hand. Why, by the way, Somerville, I missed it. Somerville, whatever, however it's pronounced. I just read it from the captions. I don't know this player. So much pressure on him, on Morocco, if he's taking his prayers. Because if he does it, Morocco. Goal! Morocco goes in round of 16 and it's not Netherlands. It's not Netherlands. It's not Netherlands. It's Morocco. It's Morocco. The predictioner is wrong. The prediction is wrong. The prediction is wrong. Bye, Morocco won it. Bye. Now we know why it made Ronaldo cry. Bhai, worth it team. Bhai, crazy Morocco. Can't believe this. Can't believe it. What's together? Bhai, an African team in round of 16. They actually covered up for South Africa. Bhai, Saibiri scored. Yes, Saibiri is expected to score. वो नहीं करेगा mostly तो गलती. He's a good announced player for sure. Morocco has made its way into round of 16. Bhai, insane match. Can't deny. Oh, bang on. That's भाई इससे better game नहीं देखा. क्या दिन था भाई. 9:30. So this was my stream 7 coming to an end. And again, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe. And thank you so much, all my red, green, yellow flags. Okay, yellow cards. Thank you for joining.